Introduction to Humanized Mice. Why make a humanized mouse model? The following is available for informational purposes, intended for those who are interested in working with mouse models to further their research. For over 30 years, the mouse has been a widely used model for studying human disease. Even though we don't look alike, it has been shown that humans and mice share many common similarities in terms of anatomy, physiology, and genetics. Due to these similarities, mice can be used to study complex human biological systems, diseases, viruses, and more. This allows researchers to discover potential therapies in the mouse without any of the risks involved with using human patients. Although there are other potential animal models to study, there are advantages to working with mice. In addition to their biology, adult mice can multiply quickly and they have a short lifespan of 1 year. This allows scientists to easily generate a lot of mice and observe multiple generations at once. Also, because they're small, they're easier to take care of in research facilities compared to larger animal models. Taken together, mice are the biological system of choice for many researchers looking to advance human health. Recent technological advancements have allowed researchers to break limitations and make better, more translatable mouse models. Among these are humanized mice, which have grown in popularity because they can more accurately mimic human conditions. This allows researchers to discover and apply potential therapies more efficiently. A humanized mouse is a type of mouse model that carries functional human genes, cells, tissues, or organs that can be studied. When it comes to creating humanized mice, there are 3 main types. The first type is tumor mouse models. These immunodeficient mice don't have a fully functioning immune system, which allows them to be used as hosts to grow both normal and diseased human tissue. Most notable, patient-derived xenograft, also known as PDX mouse models, are generated by directly transferring human tumors into immunodeficient mice. This is accomplished after surgically removing the tumor and cancer cells from the patient. PDX mice can be used in precision medicine, which is the customization of treatments that are tailored specifically to an individual patient instead of a one-drug-fits-all model. For example, the PDX mouse may be used in individual cancer therapy and drug development. This model would meet the needs of the specific human patient who had the cancer, in comparison to a more generalized approach that is more often used without the aid of PDX mice. The next type of humanized mouse model is immune system mice. These models express human versions of mouse immune genes and can be used to model the human immune system. This enables researchers to study therapies in an in vivo environment. More recently, mice with humanized immune systems have been used in COVID-19 studies to evaluate treatments and develop vaccines during the pandemic. These models often target the ACE2 receptor, which is also humanized in the mouse, allowing for a more accurate human infection that scientists can study. The third type of humanized mice is humanized gene-targeted mice. Many human diseases can be caused in part by specific mutations in human genes. In order to better understand how mutation leads to disease, researchers can develop mouse models in which the human mutation is inserted into the analogous mouse gene. This is achieved through a process called gene targeting, where a portion of the mouse gene is replaced with a homologous piece of DNA containing the human mutation. The subsequent mouse offspring can then be used by scientists to study the human mutation, determine the course of the disease, and test potential therapies. In conclusion, scientists have many different options when it comes to creating the ideal humanized mouse line for their research. These methods and technologies can help us improve the translatability of mouse models for clinical research. If you liked this video or found it to be helpful, please subscribe to our channel for future videos and visit our website at www.genetargeting.com. We have free downloadable resources, including white papers and comparison charts about humanized mice. Ingenious Targeting Laboratory is a leading provider of custom mouse, rat, and rabbit models, including humanized mice.